In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add a passkey in Discord. A passkey helps keep your account secure. It adds an extra layer of protection, making it harder for others to access your account without permission to get started. Open up the Discord app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now that you're in settings, tap on account in this section. Look for security keys, tap on it. To proceed with adding a new passkey, next tap add. To start setting up your passkey when you're ready to authenticate this action, press the Let's Go button. At this point, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your password. Simply type in the password associated with your Discord account. Once you've entered your password correctly, tap Submit after verification. You'll see a prompt inviting you to create a passkey. Tap Continue to move forward with this. Now it's time to name your passkey in the text field. Provide a type in a memorable name that helps you identify this specific key. Later on, once you've chosen a suitable name, tap Finish to complete adding your passkey. Congratulations! Your passkey has been successfully added to your Discord account. Now you'll see backup codes displayed on screen. It's crucial that these are kept in a secure place because they can help you regain access if needed. And there you have it. Adding a passkey in Discord is quick and easy, enhancing both security and convenience when logging into your account. That's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.